Hello and namaskar. You're watching KTV India with me, Varsha Venugopal. Today I'm standing at the Rangoli Sparde powered by At6 and Karnataka TV, and presenting sponsor is Saptagiri NPS University. Let me take you through what is happening on the Rangoli Sparde. It's not just a normal event. Here people are coming around, and this is JP Park, RR Nagar constituency. Here people are coming out and showcasing their talent, their Rangoli making talent. They're coming out and making all over. And let me tell you one thing, there is no age limit, there is no gender thing over here. Anybody, anyone can come and showcase over here their talent on how they can make a Rangoli. Let me tell you one more thing, that the people here coming from the RR Nagar constituency and showcasing this whole talent on the auspicious occasion of Makar Sankranti. And as you can see here, all this beautiful colors they are showcasing over is the talent of the people of this constituency. And let me make you one thing clear, it's not just a normal competition. Here the winner is gonna get 5,000 rupees cash prize. Who is gonna win? Whoever is gonna win is gonna get that cash prize. The second prize is 3,000 and the third prize is 2,000 rupees, all in cash prize. I am actually amazed seeing all of this because people here didn't come just in the name of the cash prize. They have came here to showcase their actual dedication, their talent towards the Rangoli, because despite being Makar Sankranti, people in Karnataka often put Rangoli every day on their doorsteps just to welcome Lakshmi. And when the Lakshmis of the house are out now to make show their talent, like how can they showcase their talent over making Rangoli. Here you can see this beautiful colors, these beautiful ladies. In fact, children are there who are making Rangoli over, and there are few more people. There are few gents also here who are making Rangoli. If you see around, you can just see that. It's that amazing. Look at that dedication which they are showcasing all around. Kids with full competition, kids are also there in the line showcasing all out their talent and what not. Look at those designs. You can't even imagine what is happening all around, and they're just making it like this. I don't think so. Normally, I personally can't make this good designs, but the kids, they can make. That is the beauty of Rangoli Sparde, that the kids are also coming here. You can see there's an Ajji standing there. She's also making some Rangoli and all. As I told you, there is no age limit. It's just their dedication towards their constituency. It's not the cash prize, it's the celebration, it's the talent. At6 and Karnataka TV is actually celebrating the talents, the young talents, the old talents, everyone over here, despite who they are. As you can see over. Also, the KPCC Adhyaksh just visited few minutes before in the event. Mr. Hanumant Rai, he was there. He visited and he motivated the people who are participating over here. There are more than 55, more than that number. There are participants, and in this heat, they are still putting all the Rangoli. It's almost 1.5 hours of whole event going on, and after this there would be a whole judgment panel as well, and they'll judge these people and finalize who is the winner of Rangoli Sparde. As I told you, it has cash prize of 5,000 for the winner of this day. Second prize is 3,000 and third prize is 2,000. Let's see who wins today. This is me, Varsha Venugopal, signing off with cameraman Kirti.